In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of YouTube TV on different devices, whether you're using a smart TV, streaming stick, phone, or computer. This is super useful if you're sharing an account and want to sign out from a device that's no longer yours or someone else's. Let's start with smart TVs or streaming devices like Roku, Fire Stick, or Android TV. Open the YouTube TV app. Press the home button on your remote to bring up the side menu. Scroll down to Settings or your Profile section. Look for the Sign Out option and confirm. On mobile devices like your iPhone or Android phone, open the YouTube TV app. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Go to Settings, greater than Manage Accounts, greater than Sign Out. If you're using web browser on a computer, go to tv.youtube.com. Click your profile icon in the top right. Select Sign Out from the list. You can also manage all your active sessions from any device by visiting myaccount.google.com/devices. Just sign in and scroll down to Recently Used Devices. From there, you can remotely sign out of YouTube TV on any device you no longer use. Thanks for watching. If this helped you log out of YouTube TV on one or more devices, drop a comment below and let me know which device you signed out from. Smart TV, Fire Stick, phone, or browser. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy streaming tips. See you next time.